Commercial contractors often struggle with turning service findings into approved repair work. With ServiceTrade, repairs captured by technicians flow to the office, where they can be sent to customers for approval. So your team captures more repair revenue, and customers get faster resolution of critical safety and maintenance issues. Here's how a service manager turns routine service work into profitable repair work. A technician is completing quarterly service work on a sprinkler system. While performing the work, the technician notices an issue with the system. The technician taps the Add Deficiency button, where the technician can type a description of the issue, or they can use speech to text. The technician can then add an attachment, a picture, video, or audio note, to add to the description they've already provided. ServiceTrade has an offline mode that will allow techs to use the mobile app while outside of coverage, and once they have a signal again, everything will be uploaded. Once the technician clicks Save on the deficiency, the applicable people in the office are automatically notified that a deficiency has been found. Back in the office, the service manager sees the completed job with a new deficiency section. They click in to view the deficiency details, complete with photos and technician notes. From here, the deficiency can be added to a quote. When a deficiency is added to a quote, the technician-provided attachments are automatically added to the quote as well. Using pre-built quote templates, they select the appropriate repair template, set the contract for proper pricing, and generate a professional proposal in seconds. The system creates a branded proposal that you can send directly to the customer, containing detailed descriptions, terms and conditions, photos, and clear pricing. The customer receives the quote immediately and can approve or request changes with one click. Upon approval, they can add it to an existing job or create a new repair appointment. This means faster quote approvals, more repair revenue, and critical safety issues get resolved quickly instead of falling through the cracks. ServiceTrade allows users to turn field findings into approved quotes and scheduled repairs in hours, not days.